Hello everybody, welcome back to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to build 3 different animal bases to your pets. We start off with a panda. You need some sort of wood. You can take either jungle that I'm taking or any other like oak or birch. You take jungle and then you take some fences here. You take the jungle fence, you put that back, and then you can have some other things that you want to have in, such as a little stone, some bamboo, and don't forget the panda. Where's the panda spawning here? There. And of course you have to get a fence to it, so jungle, and then some fences also, and the fence gate. And then you start off by making the foundation. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1. You can make it such shape as you want, but I think this is a good shape. And I want to make it this shape, so minus all of that. Whoops. And put that in. Then like place there, 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 there. And you wanna want to have a tree here, so you just mine that out. And like so. And this channel has been out for a long time now, so if you want to and like this video, you can like this video and please subscribe to this channel so I can beat my goal of 100 subscribers. Now here we have 2, and then like this, and this is how it's gonna be. So now we just put that there. We place the fence gate here, like this. Oh, I got 2 jungle fences. Whoops. They build up to 2 or 3 high or 4, as you want. I like this shape, but you can choose any shape you want. And any height to them as you want. So, but just know that if it's like the same height, it won't be that cool all of them. So I think you should do a little variation on it. Then you do this for a little time till you get the right height of them, until you think that it's good. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. So fences on it to make it look cool and new. Some fences can go higher and some can go smaller. It's really just you that choose. And if you want to make this the way you want, you can just do that. If you don't want fences, you don't have to add them. But I think that they look cool with fences, and then you add these 2, 1, 2 but it doesn't look cool if 2 fences are connected like this. So maybe try to avoid that, I think. 2 there, then 1, here, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 2. It's really just you that choose here how much you want, but try to make some variation and not make them exactly the same height, all of this. And try not to make them connect like I do there, with some few mistakes, but it's gotta be good at least. And that's how you make it, the outline. Now, to start by adding some stone, but not up here, maybe here we can add a part of stone here, like this, like so. You can probably add some stone around it too, if that makes it look cool, if you think that. I think that this makes it look cool, but try not to add too much, because this is kind of enough. Add some bamboo, add some of it, and like that, and a little higher here, like this. Then you can just go in here and add some leaves if you want, some jungle leaves, and add it there, bam, like so, and so, boom, like so. And it adds some some, what is it called, something to it, add some nature to it, like so. And then if you are done with all that, you can take out some bone meal and bone meal the ground to create some cool flowers and cool grass and ferns and so. And then there too, and then break out, like so. And this is how it should look. Then you add 2 pandas. Give each of them a bamboo. They will become lovable with each other. Oh, that's a snore panda. Okay, I think that didn't work, so add, no. And make that like so, and make a child. And this is the first house. Very good. So our next house is a fox house. So for this you have to locate a taiga. Then you get some dripstone blocks and pointed dripstone. I'm gonna show why later. And some spruce. You can either choose that or spruce, but I think this looks cooler. And I don't have any other things that I like to do first. Do it just as the same, the other one. Do it like this and different, like just variate it like the other one. Now too. This one you make a little bit smaller because it can be a little bit helpful, but you can make it big if you want. But you should probably make this a little bit smaller. Break this, place a spruce fence, and if you do like this, so add 1, 2, 3, 2. Now you see this one is 4 blocks tall. Just 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you can, these you can place the same height against if you want. But if you think this looks cooler, you can do it like this. But if you want them the same height, you can just do that too. But I think you should add some variation to the height, because it looks so much cooler. No. 2 and more 3. Like that. Now on this, place 2 pointed dripstones. on each of these blocks. The dripstone will naturally start to grow after a bit of time, so it will get cool. Bam, 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 like so. And I'm gonna add some spikes over here and here, and up here, and those two, and those, and those, like so. Add that up, add it up again. Oops, that made a 3. Double, double, like so. Now you have a thing like this. And just a reminder, fox can jump 2 blocks high. So you should add those spikes on, because if you don't, the fox can probably jump over if they see a chicken. But then, now we're gonna add some detail to this too. So in this one, we're gonna add some spruce saplings and bone meal one of them, and put string on another. Gonna find a string. So if you place one right here, bone meal that. No, okay, it won't be bone mealed. Probably place it right there, bone meal it, and then you get a tree. But if you now put a string on it, it will remain tiny, and it will be like a sapling all of the time. And now we just bone meal the grass here to get some nature here too. And then we get some berries from here and some more bone meal. Sorry if I put it in. Oops, that was not good. Let's bone meal it again. So place those berries, bone meal, and it will become a berry bush that you can take damage of, but not foxes. Like so. This looks good, and now after this you go here, take out the fox spawn egg this time, not some other. So where's the fox? There's the tropical fish. Where is fox? I need to find fox. Fox. Spawn cod. There, fox. Place 2 of them. 3, like so. And now they will go around here and have fun. So this is the fox house. And this was the second one. So this last house is gonna be a pool for an axolotl. So let's start. We begin with choosing moss blocks and some tuff, and create the shape in the floor right here. You can make the shape as you want, but I think this shape looks good to an axolotl. And it looks good, and like so. Line that out, so. And these two too. And then create a little floor down here. Another one. So now she can go up from my hole. So, and then making out here. Bam, 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 and so. Go, chicken. Yes, good. Now we just take all of this and switch it to top. And and like so, and then add some nature to it with moss and other things, like if you want, like so, and add some up here, so, like this, so. Then we add some stuff around this, and you can also switch that with nature if you want. I think I'm not gonna do that because I don't think that the nature came up here too, but I must switch a little bit just on the corners up here, not to take too much on the here, and you can switch some other like out too here. Here I did like this, and I think this looks really good. Add 2 and 1 like so. And now let's add water. So we use bucket of axolotl and water. Add water and all of this. And do it layer for layer so you don't have to redo it. And the last layer, I didn't make a big one, so it's just a bit easy to fill this one. So now adding some axolotls if you want. I add 4 of them. And then now add some finishing details like lily pads, where they are, and some seagrass. Some lily pads, like so. So, and one here, and that because there's one here. So, and this is the axolotl one. So comment which yes. So like if you thought this was a good video, and please subscribe to the channel for more of this awesome content. See you all in the next video. Bye!